So this is about the various themes present in the website. Now let's go back and apply the theme as classic, as math, and now we'll do dictations. So what are dictations is, as I told you in the video, dictations means you will not be able to see the number which is flashed, but you can hear the audio. So if you click on this dictations and click on, you will see various options here, various voices. So what are this is voices. You can see en means English, in means India. You can select many options. There are many options here. Whatever voice you like, you can select that and click on save changes. Now what happens is, you can't see the question, but you will be able to hear the audio. Okay, so there is one alert here, you have enabled dictations, so please increase the volume to hear the audio. So what you should do is, if you are not able to hear audio, there might be a chance that your volume is low, so try to increase the volume, then you will be able to hear the dictations. Now I'll start the dictations.
Start. 65. 96. Answer. Start. 21. 51. Answer.
Yes, so this is called as dictations. You have just heard the numbers, but you did not see the question. So in this way, the dictations will be there, and you can see everything. Did you include dictations? Yes. And what was the name? Alex. So this voices, whatever you are seeing, this Alex is not present in all the computers.